Hey, listen, what if I told you that AI can literally make you more money than your part-time job could? Yeah, I want to mean more money. I mean more money than your part-time job could. And let's clear this thing out. AI is not your enemy and AI is not trying to steal your job. But if you know how to use AI very well, then you will be so ahead of a lot of people. Because let's be honest, AI can literally do a task of 3 to 5 people. But no, that doesn't really mean that it can replace a human task. Yes, there's a huge difference between AI tax and a human tax. So yeah, it's just left for you to leverage the AI and know how to use it very well. Because yeah, if you don't know how to use AI to make money in 2026, then the people who know how to make it will make more money than you, and that's a huge no-no because you don't want to be left behind. Because yeah, it's just left for you to know how to use this AI to make money for yourself, and if you don't know how to do it, then people who know how to use it to make money for themselves will be far ahead of you. And yes, when I mean more money, I simply means more money. Yeah, because that is the reason why a lot of new shops on Etsy are blowing up right now just by using AI to create designs. And yeah, that means AI can really make you a good amount of money more than your part-time job could. I mean, yeah, people are doing it right now, so why not? Because yeah, if you head over to Etsy right now and order print on demand stores, you're going to see that a new shop of not even less than 5 months is earning good amount of money and is posting consistently, creating new designs every single day. Do you think they actually do that by themselves? No. AI is doing the most of the work and they are cashing out good amount of money. So yeah, you need to learn this and leverage it before it's too late. So, with that said, let me walk you through the ways you can actually use AI to create UGC videos for brands or product promotion or any other thing, and you're going to get paid for it. And when I mention use AI to create the UGC videos, I simply meant you don't need to show your face. All you have to use is a couple of AI to create these UGC videos, which you're going to get paid for. So stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the best type of UGC videos you can create for brands and you're going to get paid for it. And the best type of UGC videos that's performing very, very well on social media that you can actually use and create for your product promotion or brand promotion, any of this that you're doing. Yeah, I'm going to show you the best UGC format videos that's performing very, very well. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. But before we dive in, let me quickly explain what is UGC. UGC simply means user generated content, meaning a user is going to be shown in the video using some other product or promoting a brand or just doing something that says a lot about a product or a brand, and that will convince a lot of people to like purchase that product or just get involved with the product. That's what UGC is all about. And this video need to speak to the mind of this intended customers that you're pitching to buy or educate more about your product. Because yeah, UGC is all about convincing other people about this product and telling them more about what this product can do to them. If your product does not solve anything or your UGC just seems as if you're just promoting something, people will not watch it. Why? Because people want to see a product that's speaking to their mind, a product that's willing to solve a lot of things for them. Because yeah, let's be honest, people don't like watching an hour advertisement. Let's be honest, people just don't like that. In fact, the moment they see advertisement video popping out to their feed, they're just gonna scroll it, pass it. So people don't like watching advertisement videos. So instead of making an advertisement video where you just speak about your product, why not just make it feel as if you're solving a problem that these viewers might have, instead of just trying to educate them that this is what my product does. But instead of that, just make a video that simply explain what this product is going to do for them and how it's going to do it for them, plus the benefit and what they get out of the product. That's what UGC is all about. Yeah. So let's actually walk to the step of creating these UGC videos using AI, because yeah, that's the most important thing. Know how to create the UGC video first before you now know the type of videos you are to create or how to improve the videos, right? So yeah, the creation is first and that's the first step. So let's move on to it. So I have a short video guide here that will teach you step by step of how you can actually start, especially for a beginner like you who does not know how to make UGC video and this is your first time of doing it. Yeah, let's watch the video together so that you can actually learn the steps, and I'm also going to explain all the steps and break it down. So the first step from the video, he
People will
actually
find
took the
language very
product
incomprehensible.
image.
Let's keep
Yeah,
moving with
whatever
this
product you're
because
trying to
this
promote.
website was
For
presented. People will
example,
find
okay, he's
language
actually
very
using a cream
incomprehensible.
here, I think a body lotion, but whatever you're trying to promote, just take the image of the product first and then head over
If
to
you want to
Google
go and search
Flow
the flow
AI.
of this website was
Yeah, and
presented.
then tap on the link. Then ask Google Flow AI to generate you
You're gonna
5 to
upload your image
10
first, and then when you come to click on
avatars
this thing
holding
called
this
agent, once you click
image.
on that, you want to give it a very
But
simple
you're not
prompt
just
like
going to
this.
tell
Then
Google
the
Flow to
agent will
just
start
create
thinking.
image of 5 to 10 avatars to holding this image, holding this product. Anyways, and make sure to include make the image in iPhone
You would
quality
upload
so
your
that it
image
doesn't
first,
look
and when you
like
come to click on this thing
just
called
AI
agent,
generated
once you
image. It
click on
looks
that, you want to give it a
realistic,
very simple
right? You
prompt like
want
this.
something that
Then the
looks
agent will start.
realistic, and people will feel like, yeah, this a normal human being like me using this product. Because yeah, let's be honest, if your avatars look complete AI, people will scroll past because they dislike you using AI to promote something that they know this AI is not going to use this body lotion. Obviously, yes, they know that it's not going to use it. So yeah, you want you want to make this AI avatar look very realistic so that people will be like, yeah, this someone promoted this body lotion and I really want to buy one of it too. So you can obviously see that
Then when
the
it comes to
Google Flow
seconds, it's gonna
AI is
start generating the
generating the
images
image,
right
and
here.
yay, it has
So it's gonna
generated a
generate
lot of
all these
images
different
of both
images. All
females
you gotta
and
do is
males
either you
holding
can
this
choose one,
product,
or you
which
can
is
choose a
very
couple of the
nice
images that you
and
really
looks
like.
realistic, right? So after the Google Flow AI generate the images of the avatar holding the product, you can either use the Google Flow AI to generate your image, or you can use other image to video generation AI. So as you can see, the
And
Google
once you
Flow
click on
AI
agent in order to
is
undo
giving
this,
him an
you're gonna come to the
option
bottom
to
side,
either
choose
create
video,
videos
frame 16
on
by 1x video
19.16
3.1.
ratio, or
Once you click on agent
YouTube
in
video
order to
ratio, which
undo
is
it, then when it comes to
16.9,
Chromebox, you're gonna
any
choose
ratio
video
that you
frame
want.
16 by
That's the ratio that you're going to create the videos
1x video
with. So
3.1
now let's head over to it.
height.
So he
So
actually
one image that
choose
you
one
like the
image out
most,
of it,
left click
the one
and
that looks
drag it
more
down as
nice,
a stock frame
and then
right
he
here.
added as
Put in a very simple prompt like
ingredient,
this now and click
and
enter. And then
then
you're gonna take your single image and
the
start turning your
image is
single image into a
generating,
video.
and
There you
boom,
go. Within a
video
couple of
has
seconds, it takes a
generated. It
single
looks
image and
very,
turns a
very
single
nice
image into a
and
video of your
realistic.
avatar
All
promoting
right,
your
so
product.
that's the video generated and it looks very nice. But let's be honest, your first trial will not be as nice and straightforward, like good looking like this, because yeah, you're still learning how to prompt. So yeah, your image might not be, the way you wanted it to be. Like maybe the avatar might not be holding your product directly. You can have all these issues. As a beginner, you're starting to know how to like prompt, and the prompting is what makes up the image. But regardless, with a couple of more trials, you can actually create something good like this. Yeah, all you need you to do is just keep trying. Try like one to three, four. For the fifth one is going to look very nice. Now, the best type of UGC type of content that you can create and that will look very, very much realistic is the one that AI is actually doing its thing. Like, just a normal day routine. Maybe instead of the avatar to be holding the product and talk about it, maybe like keep speaking about the product. AI is still not there in terms of this quality of speaking. Because yeah, let's be honest, your AI may be talking about the product and the mouth is not really rhyming with what it's saying. There are issues like that. AI is not there in terms of that 100% quality. So instead of making your AI to talk in the video, why not just make the AI perform the tasks in the video? And then later you can now use your own human voice to make the beat, to make the voiceovers about whatsoever the AI avatar is performing in the video. Maybe it's washing his face, then you're not going to then you can talk about, oh, I'm using this cleanser to wash my face. All these voiceovers that's actually explaining what's happening in the video. That's how you get a smooth UGC video that look exactly as if someone is recording it. So yeah, for example, let me show you these two videos that I made to promote my mic. And so yeah, let me show you the two difference between advertisement video and a UGC video that's promoting my mic. Guys, you need to check this out. I found out the coolest mic that has literally every single thing you're looking for. It comes with a sponge, it comes with every single thing, and it comes with this screen lights that just look so exciting and aesthetic. It's a nice mic.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at.
Now, the second thing that will actually make your UGC video stand out and it doesn't look as if it's a promotion or advertising video is focusing directly on the problem and what this product can actually do to the people watching it. Okay, then just hold your product and be like, "Hey, I'm selling this mic and it's very nice." No, instead, go ahead and just show them this mic has this and this and this. That's what actually intrigue people to like watch to the end, because yeah, people don't like watching advertisement video. We made this clear from earlier. They don't like watching this advertisement video because they find it very boring. Yeah, they feel as if you're using their time to advertise things so they can get money. People feel as if you're using them if they watch this advertisement video. So instead, that's where you just see content stand out and make a huge difference in advertising your own product. So if you find this video useful, hit the subscribe button and like this video for more videos like this.